For this look, I am using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, Holo Taco's Wild Child, Holo Taco's Time After Time, Holo Taco's Nip in the Bud, Holo Taco's Skipping Stones, Holo Taco's Garden Party Taco, DIY Fluid Nail Art Polish, Maniology's B384 Sticky Base Coat, Holo Taco's Scattered Holo Taco, Twinkled Tease So Extra, which is no longer available, and Holo Taco's Glossy Taco plus Maniology Stamping Plate MXM123, not shown here. Using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, we start by applying a base coat. There will be 2 accent nails, but as a base color I am using Holo Taco's Wild Child on all nails. For full opacity, 2 coats are needed. So that it has ample time to dry, it's now time to set up our Fluid Art Nail decal. To do this, you randomly place different colors of nail polish on a silicone circle, then add a Fluid Art nail polish. The colors I am using, in order, are Holo Taco's Wild Child, Time After Time, Nip in the Bud, and Skipping Stones. Now smoosh. And Fluid Art magic. While the decal dries, it's now time to add a specialty topper to our main nails. For me, these are my thumb, pointer, and pinky nails. I am using Holo Taco's Garden Party Taco, and although the thicker jelly is supposed to help with getting the flower glitters onto your nails, I do still find it to be a bit of a struggle. Place as many flowers as you want, and then smooth the jelly. Going back to the decal for a moment, we're now going to coat it with a layer of quick dry top coat to give it some added stability. I am using Holo Taco's Glossy Taco here. Then, set aside again to dry. On just the main nails, add a top coat. I am using Holo Taco's Glossy Taco. Making sure the decal has dried fully, it's now time to use the angled end of a cuticle push tool to work our way under it to carefully lift and peel it from the silicone circle. We now approximate size and trim for our nails. You may need more than one decal for all your accent nails. Working one nail at a time, apply a sticky base coat to make the nail tacky. I am using Maniology's B384 sticky base coat and waiting 30 seconds. It's now time to add the decal, centering to the best of one's ability, trimming any major excess with small scissors, and then pressing onto the nail with your fingers. On your actual nail, once placed, you will trim any remaining excess after that with a cuticle push tool. Now, to secure the edges, we're going to effectively melt them onto the nail using 100% acetone and a cleanup brush. Make sure to wrap the edge to the underside at the tip of your nail if your nails are long enough. For holographic sparkle, I am adding Holo Taco's scattered Holo Taco to the top before stamping. It's now time to add the butterflies. I'm using Maniology stamping plate MXM123, which was a subscriber exclusive, and Twinkled's So Extra gold stamping polish. Remember, it's paint, scrape, lift, and stamp to apply it to the nail. The design tessellates, so if you need to add extra to an edge for full design coverage like I did, you can. Finally, I seal the entire manicure in with Holo Taco's Glossy Taco, a quick-dry top coat for maximum shine and long-lasting wear. Since we sealed the main nails already, just the accent nails need the top coat at this point. Voila! Enjoy your manicure.